Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the receiver and putting it into pairing mode. The LED will usually flash or change color, which tells you it's discoverable. Once done, make sure your phone or computer Bluetooth is turned on and visible. This speeds discovery and avoids timeouts. You should also clear any stale pairings on both devices so the receiver prioritizes this new connection. With power and visibility confirmed, move quickly to the device's Bluetooth list and watch for the receiver name to appear. Now you select the receiver from your device's Bluetooth list and tap Connect. If a PIN appears, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234 because many receivers use simple codes. Make sure you choose the correct audio profile. For music use A2DP, for calls enable headset or hands-free profile, since wrong modes limit functionality. After initiating pairing, give it a few seconds until the LED goes solid or your OS shows a connected status, which confirms. Finish by setting the receiver as your default audio output so sound consistently routes to it, then play a short test track and adjust volume on both devices to match. Make sure the receiver is placed with a clear line to the source and orient any external antenna for better range. Physical obstructions often cause dropouts. If you still have problems, power cycle the receiver and your device, remove the pairing entry. Then repair. That reset clears stale states and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.